Hello friends, welcome to the channel Dewdear Academy. In this video, I have included the topic teratogenic drugs. What are teratogenic drugs? Yes, teratogen is any agent that causes abnormality following the fetal exposure during pregnancy. Any agent that can disturb the development of the embryo or fetus. So that may cause the congenital malformations or birth defect. Usually the first trimester is known as the period of organogenesis. So it is the most precarious period for the significant malformation. So let me discuss with the mnemonic. The drugs, the teratogenic drugs are explained with the mnemonic. Mnemonic is teratova. The mnemonic used to remember this drug is teratova. So what does this teratova indicates? T is thalidomide. E is epileptic drugs like valproic acid and phenytoin. Then R is retinoids or vitamin A. A indicates ACE inhibitors and T is third element or lithium. Then O is oral contraceptives or hormones. And W indicates warfarin and A is alcohol. Thalidomide, epileptic drugs like valproic acid and phenytoin, then retinoids or vitamin A, ACE inhibitors, lithium, then oral contraceptives or hormones, warfarin and alcohol. The mnemonic is teratova. So now I am discussing each drug in detail. First one is the thalidomide. T is indicating thalidomide. Thalidomide is causing the teratogenicity, that is phocomelia. Phocomelia means shortened or absent long bones of the limbs. Also it is causing anorectal stenosis, absence of external ears, etc. So phocomelia means it is known as seal extremity or sealed limbs. That means the upper part of the limb is extremely underdeveloped or missing, and the lower part is attached directly to the trunk. That is phocomelia. So that is associated with the drug thalidomide. Then the second category is epileptic drugs. That is phenytoin. Phenytoin is causing fetal hydantoin syndrome. Phenytoin causes fetal hydantoin syndrome. That means digital hypoplasia, cleft lip and cleft palate, then cardiac anomalies, mental and growth retardation. That means the fetal hydantoin syndrome is a pattern of mental and physical birth defects that result from this maternal use of this drug phenytoin during pregnancy. That is, it is mainly having the mental retardation and also the congenital physical birth defects are also found. So phenytoin is causing the fetal hydantoin syndrome that include the mental as well as the physical birth defects. Mental retardation is there and also the physical birth defects are seen in with this drug phenytoin. The next is valproic acid. It is causing neural tube defects like spina bifida and also impaired folate absorption. Then the next category of drug is retinoids or vitamin A, and isotretinoin is a category of drug that is coming in vitamin A or retinoids. So it is causing this congenital abnormalities like CNS defects, cleft lip, ear and eye defects, cardiac defects and mental retardation and miscarriage. That means the maternal use of this vitamin A or retinoids, mainly this isotretinoin during pregnancy, result in problems of miscarriage, premature delivery and also these birth defects. So this isotretinoin is often used to treat a severe kind of acne like nodular acne, and it is given as an oral retinoid. Isotretinoin is given as an or prescribed as an oral retinoid to treat the acne. So this is causing, if these drugs are taken during pregnancy, it may cause miscarriages and also the birth defects. Then next is the AC inhibitors, angiotensin-converting enzyme inhibitors like captopril and enalapril. So these drugs are contraindicated during the second and third trimester of pregnancy because of the increased risk of fetal renal damage. There is chance of fetal renal damage mainly in second and third trimester. So it causes renal damage, then fetal and neonatal anuria, and also it causes lung hypoplasia, hypoperfusion and growth retardation. Then next is the third element or lithium. So actually lithium is a mood stabilizer used in the treatment of bipolar disorder. And lithium is having increased risk of congenital malformations in fetus mainly after the first trimester exposure. So it is causing anomaly called as Epstein anomaly, and that include the CVS anomalies, cardiovascular system anomalies, valvular heart defect involving the tricuspid valve. The next is the oral contraceptives or hormones that include estrogens, androgen, then diethylstilbestrol is an important category of drug in oral contraceptives. So estrogen causes testicular atrophy in male fetus, then androgens cause fetal masculinization in female fetus, and diethylstilbestrol is causing vaginal carcinoma in the female offspring. Okay, so estrogen is causing the testicular atrophy in male fetus. Androgens may cause a female masculinization in female fetus, and also diethylstilbestrol is associated with this causing of vaginal, and diethylstilbestrol is associated with vaginal carcinoma in female babies. The next is warfarin. Warfarin may cause hypoplasia of the nasal bridge and CNS malformations. Intake of warfarin during pregnancy is causing hypoplasia of the nasal bridge in babies and also CNS malformations. The next A indicates alcohol, that is fetal alcohol syndrome. Fetal alcohol syndrome means the babies whose mothers drink alcohol during their pregnancy is causing birth defects and also developmental disabilities. So the problems can happen when babies are exposed to alcohol, and it is grouped together called as fetal alcohol spectrum disorders that include the variety of physical, behavioral and learning problems. And also it causes microcephaly, craniofacial abnormalities, then intrauterine growth retardation, CNS and CVS abnormalities. So these are the drugs, teratogenic drugs, and the mnemonic to remember is teratova. So thank you for watching this video.